Good day, everyone. I am Mary Grace G. De Los Santos, and today I will present the study entitled The Role of Fundamental Movement Skills and Health-Related Fitness on Physical Activity During Guided Active Play for 8 to 10-year-old children. To begin with, fundamental movement skills are basic movements such as running, jumping, throwing, and catching. These skills are very important because they help children become physically active and more confident in joining sports and other activities. Children who develop these skills at an early age are more likely to enjoy exercise and maintain a healthy lifestyle as they grow older. The purpose of this study was to examine the relationship between fundamental movement skills and physical activity among children aged 8 to 10 years old. The researchers wanted to know if participating in guided physical activities could improve the children's movement skills, coordination, and overall fitness. For the materials and methods, this study involved 42 children who joined community-based summer camp programs. The researchers conducted physical tests before and after the training program to measure the children's movement skills and activity levels. In the testing procedures, the children were assessed in different activities such as running, jumping, throwing, and coordination exercises. Standardized assessments and observation were used to evaluate their performance. These tests helped the researchers compare the children's abilities before and after the program. The training program included structured physical activities designed to improve movement skills and fitness. The children participated in running drills, jumping exercises, throwing activities, and group games. These activities encourage active participation, teamwork, coordination, and confidence. Now, let us move to the results of the study. The findings show that the children improved their fundamental movement skills after participation in the program. Their physical activity levels also increased. The participants demonstrated better coordination, improved movement performance, and greater confidence during physical activities. These results suggest that guided active play can positively affect children's physical development. The discussion of the study explains that regular physical activity plays an important role in improving children's movement skills and overall health. Structured training programs help children become more confident and physically active. The study also emphasized the importance of support from schools, families, and communities in encouraging children to participate in physical activities and develop healthy habits. In conclusion, the study found that physical activity programs are effective in improving fundamental movement skills among children. Early participation in physical activities help children develop better fitness, coordination, confidence, and healthy lifestyle that can benefit them as they grow older. For the reference, this study was written by Kalik et al. 2025. The title of the article is The Role of Fundamental Movement Skills and Health-Related Fitness on Physical Activity During Guided Active Play for 8 to 10-year-old children. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something from this presentation.